We thank God for, again, the season. We thank God for waiting patiently for His coming. And in so doing, hopefully we deepen our relationship with God. Not by empty words. No? Madali magsabi, I love, no? Love, love, come here, my love, no? Pero salita lang, wala naman gawa, no? Kung talagang mahal, no? Then we will do everything for our beloved. Kung talagang mahal. Kasi madali magsabi ng salita, no? Madali magbitaw ng mga salita. Wala naman action, wala naman gawa. Hindi naman tunoy na ginagawa. Katulad ng Ebanghelyo ngayon, sinabi, no? Lord, Lord, pero hindi naman talaga sinusunod ang Diyos. Hindi naman Diyos ang talaga naghahari sa puso natin, kundi tayo lang ang sarili natin. Kaya madali magsabi, no, Lord, Lord, no? Tawagin, no, my Lord and my God. Pero puro salita, hindi naman ginagawa talaga ang pinapagawa ng Diyos. No? Madali, no? Kaya words can be cheap. It is really the action that is needed, no? Kaya nga merong isang tao na ino-observe si Francis of Assisi. Sabi niya, can we accompany you going around town preaching? Can we accompany and see how you preach to the people, no? Sabi ni Francis, come, join me, no? So sinamahan niya si San Francisco, no? At umikot sila, at pagkatapos ng ilang sandali, bumalik na. Sabi niya, wala ka naman sinabi sa mga tao, no? We accompanied you. We wanted to see you preach and how you use these words. At nang bumalik siya, sabi niya, kung kailangan gumamit ng salita, no? Use words if necessary. Because as the saying goes, action speak louder than words, hindi ba? Kasi madali lang naman yun. It is by witnessing, by the action, we convert people, because, you know, we can deceive people with our words. We thank God for this beautiful reminder today as we, again, have this wonderful season of waiting, of Advent, and continue to trust in God. No? Because in so doing, we will build our foundations on solid rock. Kasi kung puro salita lang, baka mamaya buhangin. Hindi matibay ang pundasyon, no? Napakarupok ng pundasyon kung puro salita lang at wala namang gawa. Sa pamamagitan ng gawa, pinapakita natin ang pagmamahal natin sa Diyos. Sa pamamagitan ng gawa, nakatungtong tayo sa pundasyon natin na si Jesus. Amen.